Today we're baking carrot cake cinnamon rolls. Filled with brown sugar, warm spices, walnuts, and shredded carrots, then topped with a silky cream cheese icing, these bring a cozy twist on a classic. So if that sounds good to you, keep watching and let's get right into it. In a large bowl, mix 3/4 of a cup of warm milk, 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast and let stand for 10 minutes. Once the yeast is activated, stir in 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 1/2 cups of shredded carrots. Add 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and mix until a soft dough begins to form. Transfer to a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth. Then place the dough in a greased bowl and turn it around to coat it evenly with oil. Cover and let rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. On the floured surface, roll the dough into a large rectangle about 14 by 16 inch. Spread 1/4 of a cup of softened butter evenly onto the dough, leaving a 1/2 inch border all around. Stir 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cloves together in a small bowl. Sprinkle evenly over the butter. Top with 1/2 a cup of chopped walnuts. Roll up the dough into a log, starting from one of the long ends. Cut into 12 equal pieces, about 1 1/2 inches wide. Place the rolls in a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Cover and let rise in a warm place for another hour or until doubled in size. Uncover and bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or until lightly browned. Let cool for about 5 minutes while you make your icing. In a medium bowl, beat together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Add 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar and mix until well combined. Spread the icing over the cinnamon rolls, top with chopped walnuts, and you have a perfectly soft, spiced fall treat ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like? And if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.